72. Meadville, light rain and fog, 70.
What's going on, KIH?
71.
Required weekly test is
Central
coming.
and eastern PA, Altoona, cloudy, 75. State College fog, 73. In Maryland, Oakland, cloudy, 68 degrees. In West Virginia, Morgantown, cloudy, 77 degrees. Wheeling, cloudy, 75. Winds gusting to 20. Parkersburg, rain and fog, 75. Across Ohio, Zanesville, cloudy, 77 degrees. Akron, cloudy, 75. Youngstown, cloudy, 73. Cleveland, cloudy, 73. Cincinnati, cloudy, 75. Toledo, cloudy, 76. And Columbus, fog, 75. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday.
11 a.m.
September 1st, 2020. Yesterday's high temperature was 83 degrees. The record high is 97 degrees, which was set in 1953.
Here we go.
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
First weekly test for the
were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. Now here is the synopsis.